Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Fold 7 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's begin with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. I mean, only for checking for the updates you can use mobile data, but if you'll decide that you'd like to download the update, then I highly recommend to switch to the Wi-Fi so we can avoid some additional charges. So after making sure that we've got the internet connection, let's enter the settings. And here in this left section, you will have to scroll down to the very bottom to find software update. After tapping on it, this is what you will see. Maybe not this one especially, but this one. So all you have to do is to tap on download and install, and your device will right now check for the updates. And basically you can meet two different scenarios. So this is the second one where you can actually download the software. As you can see, your device will immediately initiate the downloading and installing. Here we've got the information about the new update, what has been fixed, what has been added. And the second or actually the first scenario is where your device will actually is up to date and there's nothing to download. It will show you relevant information. Of course, you can pause the downloading and come back to this section after a while when you will be prepared. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.